Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to change your username in macOS. Click Apple icon, click System Preferences. Click Users and Groups. Click this lock to make changes. Type your password to unlock. Right-click your username, click Advanced Options. Change your username. Click OK. Username changed successfully. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.